This is a Juwel Model 3 Typewriter, which came in quite nice condition. I will do some gentle cleaning on it. I'm going to remove this cover because it's easier to, give a cleaning for the arms and to replace the ribbon. And yeah, let's do that. This metal piece, or this metal cover, is has 3 screws, one on the right, one on the middle, and one on the left. I won't take it out because you don't need to. You just have to loosen it. This one in the middle. Yeah. Probably this will do. The third one. Now it should come off easily. And we have some decal issue here. The decal is missing. I don't know if I will be able to replace that, but the other one is pretty nice. Okay, so yeah, to take out the ribbon, it's very easy. You just have to first lift up this part on the other side, and you just have to move it down and back. You need to be careful because on the side here they put a metal piece that for holding the ribbon tight, so you just have to unfold this, and then you can just move it up. There you go. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to remove this metal piece because I don't want to, soak this part. I'm going to use, by the way, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning it. Let's see. That's it. I'm going to probably replace this old fabric. It doesn't look too good. Am I going to take out the platen? It came out easily. You just have to lift it out. Okay, what else? I'll probably leave this in. That should be enough. And I'm going to use some rocks just to protect the surface. That should be enough. And am I going to try to put something underneath that lifts the arms. That should do. Okay, I'm going to use an electric toothbrush like this, and isopropyl. I try not to be too drastic, just you know, very gentle. You don't always have to solve the whole machine to clean it, you just need some very tiny repairs or cleanings. Go with this part as well. It must be very satisfying to see how it gets cleaner. At least I hope so. Okay, so I stopped the video from here because you can probably imagine how the next few minutes I will do with the cleaning. Thanks for watching.